Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. The advantage of people who have a mess at home. When we were children, every adult made us believe that a dirty room is a dirty mind. Like, you want to restore order in your thoughts, clean yourself and the surrounding space. Here are 3 things that you should always remember when you are accused of excessive disorganization. 1. You do not worry about maintaining the status quo. Accuracy and the need for organization give out in you not only a disciplined, but also a very narrow-minded person. People who have a perfect order at home simply do not realize that the disorder will return anyway. They continue to bring order wherever they appear, but this feature of them is only the consequence of an important psychological problem. These people cling too much to what they already have and are pathologically afraid to take risks. As for you, you do not allow your life to be governed by decency and other conventions. You yourself know how you should live, and do not tolerate petty people who have nothing, but they imagine that they already have some kind of universal knowledge of life. 2. You find inspiration in your mess. Clutter and chaos around strange ways help raise the creative potential of any person. 3. You are a brave and spontaneous person. Instead of wasting your time on small, meaningless things, you are focused on seeing the big picture. Unlike those who like cleanliness, people like you know how to focus on important things so much that worry about something else comes to naught immediately. In addition, there is evidence that people who do not like to get out are more enterprising and more willing to take risks. There must be a balance between order and chaos. Do not think that the first is definitely better than the second. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.